आसमां ये रोशन हो। ऐसी आई झूम कर है दिवाली कि हर तरफ बस खुशियों का ही मौसम हो। नमस्कार, आज मैं वंशिका और मेरी संगी सान्या ग्लोबल सदन की ओर से दीपावली के इस शुभ और आनंदित अवसर पर इस प्रस्तुतिकरण में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं।
The festival of Diwali is not only significant to Hinduism but also has importance in Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism. For Hindus, it is associated with the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and his victory after defeat of Ravan.
श्री राम का जीवन और उनकी जीवन शैली हम सभी के लिए एक आदर्श है। उनके इसी आदर्शवादी जीवन पर प्रकाश डाल हमें आलोकित करने आ रहे हैं कक्षा 9 के अंश तलवार।
Lord Ram was the son of Dashrath, the king of Ayodhya, and his first queen Kaushalya. He had 3 brothers, Bharat, Lakshman, and Shatrughan. Traits of Lord Ram: satisfaction. He was satisfied with whatever he had. Even a little less couldn't have bothered him. Loyalty. He never thought of a woman other than Sita in his entire life. Kindness. He was a kind soul who wished well for every creature on the earth. He tells us that if a person follows the path of honesty, hard work, and remains happy, then nothing can stop him or her from achieving success in life.
Thank you very much, Ansh, for enlightening us with such spiritual elements of Lord Rama's life. His life is a perfect example for each one of us. He taught us to be obliged towards our parents like he did. He went on exile for 14 long years, fulfilling his parents' desire. That is the reason why he is called the most dignified man and inspires us to be one.
Now, Shri Bhadra of class 8th is going to sing before us in her melodious voice. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम्। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम्। नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पग कंजारुणम्। श्री राम, श्री राम. Now, students from class 2nd to 9th are here to brighten up the occasion with a dance performance.
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की नवातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
पूजा की थाली लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारेंगे।
माथों पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग्य हम संवारे।
festivals are all about spreading happiness and positivity around. Now, we have students from class 1 to 5 who will enlighten us with their sweet and cheerful messages.
Happy Diwali to all of you. Diwali is a festival of light and happiness. But in the last few years, we have made it full of noise and pollution by bursting crackers. Crackers cause pollution by adding sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide to air. Let's take a pledge not to burst any crackers during Diwali and make this festival an eco-friendly Diwali.
Diwali is the festival when families and friends unite together and spread a message of brotherhood, love, and unity. I wish you all a very happy, prosperous Diwali. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Diwali 2020 is here, but the global pandemic of the novel coronavirus has subdued the vibe and energy of the festival. However, don't worry, keep your excitement intact and have a happy and safe Diwali.
Happiness is in the air as Diwali is near. The festival of Diwali emanates of our lives with joy and happiness. So let's spread this happiness towards of our mother's nature earth by celebrating green eco-friendly Diwali. Let us re-establish the essence of Diwali by being sensitive to the environment. Diwali can be celebrated with earthen lamps, sweets and togetherness. It is a time to go green this Diwali. Pollution-free crackers are also available. This year, let us burn these crackers in very small quantities, just for the spirit of Diwali.
People during this time clean their houses, decorate them, and buy new clothes for the family members and buy crackers to light them up and celebrate this festival. We can save on nature, on environment, and also on natural resources like electric energy and celebrate eco-friendly Diwali.
Diwali symbolizes spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. So let's take a moment and dedicate it to our nature by celebrating the eco-friendly Diwali. We should avoid bursting firecrackers because it causes the air pollution and the noise pollution, especially to those who are patients of asthma and other lung problems. We should use good oily diyas. We can also use coconut shells and orange peels as diyas. With this way, we can reduce the wastage of electricity. For home decoration, we can use colorful dupattas and saris. We should avoid using plastic materials. For making rangolis, we can use colorful flowers, leaves, greens and pulses. We should avoid using chemical colors because it is very harmful to our skin. For gift, we can give plants, jute products and khadi products as gifts. We should avoid eating excessive sweets and oily food products. We should eat homemade and healthy food because it keeps us healthy and fit. So this Diwali, let's pray to God to finish the COVID-19 soon and give us good health. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Now, Aloyna, Vilena, Rakshita and Esther are here to spread an influential message through their skit.
Hi Rakshita, hi Vilena, hi Aloyna.
Hi!
Hi!
Hi Esther.
Where are you going, Rakshita?
I'm going to buy firecrackers. Yay!
Did you forgot that what happened last Diwali?
I don't remember anything like that.
So let me remind you by showing a playback. Friends, today I'm swamped with the work. I need to do a lot of work today. I need to clean my house. I need to go for shopping. I need to do my homework.
Yes, sir, I will help you with your work because I have done all my work yesterday itself, so I'm free today. So I'll help you.
How can you forget the firecrackers? Firecrackers? Do you know that the pollution level is going up day by day? There's a lot of pollution in our mother India, and not only humans get affected, animals also get affected by these firecrackers. Their ear got damaged.
Yes, Esther, you are right. You must have seen when your mom or dad drives the car and presses the horn. Sometimes the cow is not able to hear the voice of the horn because the ears are damaged due to the loud voice of the firecrackers.
Yes, Esther, I totally agree with you. I will not purchase firecrackers now.
So now let's take a pledge that we, the Superhouse clan, is promising our Mother Earth that we will not buy firecrackers and we will not harm any animal and we will celebrate Diwali eco-friendly. As we took the pledge last year, no one will buy firecrackers, okay?
Okay, Esther, but we will buy diyas, right? Because of this pandemic COVID-19, all our potters are dying because no one is buying their diyas and other items.
Yes, Aloyna, we all know that Diwali is a festival of light and it marks the victory of light over darkness. But the life of potters have entered a dark phase. They are losing their businesses due to foreign goods. It is very sad that Diwali has lost its traditional charm as Chinese products have taken over the Indian market.
Yes, I totally agree with you both and want to say that these days people are interested in buying Chinese products but not the Indian. And today the whole world is affected by this deadly virus COVID-19 and thus this virus came from China, Wuhan.
I'm very afraid to go to the market for Diwali shopping. Even my parents are hesitating to go to the market to buy diyas and other stuff. And like me, most people are not going to the market to avoid infection.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Velina. Moreover, all the COVID-19 protocols have restricted all of us to celebrate Diwali like all the past years. Now we have to do it by maintaining proper social distancing.
As we all know, precaution is better than cure. If we take all the precautions and take care of ourselves, we will not hide under the rock in the fear of COVID-19. And by taking all the precautions, we can go to buy diyas and other utensils from the potters.
Yes, the way the people of Ayodhya expressed their feelings to Lord Sri Ram by lighting candles, diyas and lamps. And this Diwali, we will also celebrate it in the same way and by having loads of fun with our family.
Yes, by taking proper precautions, we can buy diyas from poor potters and we can make Diwali happy for our poor potters also. Happy Diwali!
Many children are still working in the fireworks factory, which is illegal, and we should raise our voice for justice.
इस प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद। हर वर्ष हमारे बाजारों में दीपावली के समय चीनी सामान की भरमारी रहती है। विद्युत सज्जा का सामान, सजावटी सामान, दिए, यहाँ तक कि लक्ष्मी जी और गणेश जी की मूर्तियाँ भी चीन से बनकर आती हैं। लेकिन इस वर्ष वोकल फॉर लोकल नारे के अनुसार हम सभी को स्वदेशी सामान की खरीदारी करनी चाहिए। दिवाली की पूजा में दिए बाती से लेकर पटाखों तक सभी स्वदेशी होने चाहिए। इससे हमारे शहरी इलाकों में पिछड़े हुए वर्ग के ज़रूरतमंद युवाओं को नौकरी और रोजगारी मिलेगी और यह एक हमारे देश के निर्माण के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी कदम है। याद रखें कि दीपावली की खरीदारी एक ऐसी जगह से करें जहां पर आपकी दिवाली की खरीदारी की वजह से उस इंसान के घर में दिवाली मनाई जा सके।
दीपावली एक पर्व ही नहीं बल्कि त्योहारों की श्रृंखला है। दीपावली का पर्व इस श्रृंखला को रूप देता है। इसकी शुरुआत कार्तिक त्रयोदशी के दिन धनतेरस से होती है। उसके अगले दिन छोटी दीपावली मनाई जाती है। तत्पश्चात लक्ष्मी पूजन कर दीपावली महोत्सव होता है और उसकी दूसरी सुबह गोवर्धन पूजा मनाई जाती है। अगले दिन भाई बहन का प्यारा रिश्ता मनाते हुए भाई दूज से इस श्रृंखला का समापन होता है। अब अंत में मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि हंसते मुस्कुराते दीप आप जलाना, जीवन में नई खुशियां लाना, दुख दर्द अपने सब भूल कर प्यार से यह दिवाली मनाना। धन्यवाद।